you're experiencing audio desync issues in FIFA 24, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Follow these steps to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your audio settings. Navigate to the audio settings in FIFA 24. Ensure that the audio output device is correctly set to your preferred speakers or headphones. Adjust the volume levels and check if there are any specific audio sync options available. Step 2. Update your game. Make sure that FIFA 24 is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs, including audio desync issues. Check for updates through your gaming platform and install any available patches. Step 3. Adjust your device settings. If you're playing on a console or PC, check the audio settings of the device itself. Ensure that the audio output format is compatible with your game and that there are no enhancements or effects that could cause delays. Step 4. Restart your game and device. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve audio issues. Close FIFA 24 completely and restart your gaming device. This can help reset any temporary glitches that may be causing the audio desync. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the problem persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling FIFA 24. This can help fix any corrupted files that may be affecting the audio sync. Make sure to back up your saved data before proceeding with the reinstallation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve audio desync issues in FIFA 24. Enjoy your gaming experience.